If you're here, it's because you've watched this terrible picture of a dog with a very swollen leg, clearly in pain. That is Noah. Noah is a dog that we rescued a couple of months ago from a local pound. When we arrived there, we saw her terrible condition. The skin was in really, really bad shape, so were her eyes, and she had the internal organs were affected. We took her to the hospital, and after a couple of days, she had to be operated. It was an emergency surgery, gastric dilation. So, life or death surgery, we managed to save her. It was okay. Then when we thought that everything was fine, then 2 days later she had to rush into surgery again for another problem, seemingly unrelated. It was an intestinal intussusception. The intestines were getting within each other. So again, surgery went well, we fixed it, and then the next day the problem reoccurred and we had to go into another surgery. This surgery was more drastic and we had to fix the intestines to the wall of the stomach. So after that surgery, I thought that if the problem reoccurred, then we will have nothing to do and it will be the end. But guess what? Noah made it. She made a wonderful recovery. She was feeling so much better, started putting on weight, and she changed completely her demeanor, her skin, her hair. She made a wonderful recovery. We took her to our rescue center and we introduced her to all our animals and started looking for a home for her. But then a few days ago, we started noticing that she was limping. So I was worried. At first we thought that maybe she had a step on a stone or a little thorn from one of the plants. We took her to the hospital and they noticed that there was a small injury. We didn't give it much importance. We just gave some antibiotics to prevent infection. But then a couple of days later, no, it wasn't working and the leg was getting worse and we could see that it was swollen. So I went to the Great House, our beautiful rescue center, and we got her out of there, put her in the car. We drove to the hospital and we started doing tests again. First thing we noticed was that the leg was very swollen and quite warm as well. So we didn't know what was going on. We went in the operation table and we took a small sample of the tissue to see what was going on. We put it under the microscope and it's just a massive inflammation of all the soft tissue. So we thought, okay, this is related to leishmaniasis. She's gonna continue on treatment. We're gonna leave her to hospital. But then the very next day, when I went to see her, this is what I discovered. Have a look at this. This is Noah today. As you can see, the leg has swollen terrible. She has what is called vasculitis. It's related to leishmaniasis, but she's in so much pain. She cannot stand on the leg and basically she cannot stand up. She's in a lot of pain. That leg is now nearly 3 times the size of a normal leg. So Noah is now back at the hospital. She's in intensive care. We're really keeping a very close eye on that. We're pumping her with different antibiotics and different drugs to try to reduce the size of the leg because it's very painful for her. This is a dog that has proven everyone here the meaning of bravery. She has captured everyone's imagination. Everyone's in love with her because people recognize a fighting spirit when they see one. So this is why I'm here today. She has proved us that she wants to live. We have proved you that we are willing to go to the end of the world for this dog. And today I'm here to ask for your help. Noah is back at the hospital, she's in intensive care. That leg is worrying us a lot, and we need your help. There's somebody right next to her 24 hours a day. Please, if you can, donate. Help us save her. This is a dog that really, really deserves our help. Please donate. Help me save Noah.